Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to hard reset a Motorola G22 without the pin code. If you don't have the pin code, this will erase the pin code so you can access the phone without it. But it would also erase everything else on your phone, all your contacts, all your photos, apps, everything. It'll be like a brand new phone. But if you're okay with that and you want to go ahead, it's pretty easy to do. All you're going to do is with your phone turned off, you're going to press and hold simultaneously the power button and the volume down button. And you're just going to keep holding it until you get this screen here. And from this screen here, you're going to go with the little, you see the little where it says start. Using the volume buttons, you're going to toggle through that until you get to a screen that says recovery mode. Once you click that recovery mode, you're going to hit the power button to select it. And then once you do that, then you will get a no command screen. And once you see that no command screen, then you're going to press the power button and the volume button up once, which will take you into the recovery menu. And from here, using the volume buttons, you can scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select it. And then from there, you will get this confirmation screen. So you'll toggle down to factory data reset. And then once you hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off your phone and it will turn back on. Once it's finished doing its thing, you can reboot it and it will turn back on like it just came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.